हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे बीहाइव की थर्ड पोएम रेन ऑन द रूफ। तो सबसे पहले हम इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ेंगे कि इंट्रोडक्शन क्या है पोएम का। फ्रॉम द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम रेन ऑन द रूफ वी कैन मेक आउट दैट द पोएम इज अबाउट द रेन. The poet is telling us about the memories he has of the rain. The sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of his house bring back sweet memories of the past. अब हम line by line explanation पढ़ेंगे. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage bed and lie listening to the patter of the sweet rain overhead. The poet is saying that when the humid shadows hover, here humid shadows refer to dark clouds which are full of water. The poet is saying that when the sky is full of these clouds, which are moisture laden, are full of water and are about to bring rain. When such clouds hover around in the sky over all the stratospheres refers to sky at night time, which is full of stars. At the time, huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops, which seem like tears falling from the sky. The poet is comparing raindrops to tears, and he says that the dark sky, which seems to be very sad, it appears as if it is crying, and the raindrops are the tears shed by it. He adds that it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his room. Cottage chamber means bedroom, and listen to the sound made by raindrops falling on the roof. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollection weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. The poet is expressing his feeling when he hears raindrops falling on the rooftop of his house. He says that every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, the sound repeats in his heart, and his dreams he has many different fanciful imagination. He adds that this sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind. He recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as dreams. So he says that as he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. Here, tinkle means sound of rain falling on small stones. Shingle means pieces of stones. Echo, गूंज, resounding. Fancies, imaginative things, कल्पनाएं. Recollection means यादगारें, recallings. Woof, a weaving, weft, बनाना. Now in memories comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Here the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother, as he had told in the previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive. In the past, she used to love him a lot. She used to consider him a darling, and she would let him sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listens to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his room. The sound of the rain makes him correlate his past with his present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past, and he reminded of his mother. Agone means बीत गए, bygone. Darling dreamers means those children who dream of their mother. Ere means before, and dawn means early morning. तो यहाँ पर ये पोएम ख़त्म हुई. अब पूरी पोएम से हमें क्या समझ में आया? दैट द पोएम रेन ऑन द रूफ talks about the poet's varied reaction to the sound of raindrops falling on the roof of his house. He says that the raindrops at night are like tears shed by the sad, dark night. He loves to lie in bed and hear rain falling on the roof on his room because it gets back sweet memories of the past. He says that the sound of the raindrops help him fall asleep and gives him sweet dreams. He has memories of his loving mother who would put them to sleep. तो यहीं ये पोएम्स ख़त्म होती है. I hope you liked it.